Hello, watching News First Prime. I'm Rahul Dayan. Yet again, another day, we are here at another iconic place in Bangalore. In fact, this place is a very iconic as well as very historically important place for the history of Bengaluru. So, which that place is? If you're wondering that, I think the answer is right behind me. This is the iconic place in Bengaluru, and it has got its very own important historic significance during the British era in the country. So, what's the exact and what's the exclusive history of this iconic place, which is situated right here in the heart of the city? Let me just explain you. So, the structure here is the first ever Bengaluru Gate established by the British. It's also called the Octroi Post because British used this point, and in fact this place is located in Chamrajpet, right exactly beside the Sirsi Circle, and this place was the place where the British officers used to sit in and collect tax for the goods or the vehicles or the chariots or bullock carts coming from the Mysore road. So when the vehicles or the chariots used to enter with goods or other commodities into Bengaluru, I think this was the point where the British officers used to tax them and collect the tax for the commodities. So in the year 1830, there was a point near Kyar Circle or the Kim's Circle, which we call as of now. So that was the starting point of the Bengaluru-Mysuru highway, which was then constructed. So it was in 1830. So that was the point where the vehicles used to enter the Bengaluru-Mysuru highway or the Bengaluru-Mysuru road, in fact. And this point served as a tax collection point for the goods entering inside the Bengaluru city. So you could see the architectural marvel here, the old granite foundation or the stone foundation which the British have laid. It is still there and it is still visible, and even though it is a century old building, it was dilapidated until 2021 when the local agencies and the private organizations joined hands to reconstruct or to renovate this building and make it look good and strong. So the foundation which the British officers had laid for the construction of the toll post is still there, which is still visible, along with the beautiful windows in the same ethnic style of the British. These are the classic windows which were being constructed in all the different buildings which the Britishers used as their offices or administrative offices. So you could see all the kind of architectural marvels right from the British era. So be it any goods entering the Bengaluru city, this point, as I told you, the Octroi Post or the Bengaluru Gate used to serve as a point for the collection of taxes by the British officers, and they used to collect hefty taxes for the commodities entering the Bengaluru city. And it is unfortunate that the localites in Bengaluru do not know the existence or the importance of such a building and such a historical importance or valued building, even though it's amidst the bustling streets of Nama Bengaluru, right beside the Sirsi Circle. So from 1900 to 1910, this point served as the major tax collection point for the Bengaluru city, which was that time the commercial point in the southern India for the Britishers. So this was dilapidated until 2021, and it has been renovated by the agencies and made strong for the Bengalurus to visit it. So this attracts a lot of crowd, but the unfortunate thing is that nobody knows, even though they pass through the streets, these roads, they don't know the importance of such buildings, and they might just pass by thinking it's just another building in Bengaluru. So next time when you visit Sirsi Circle or come this side, please do visit this building because this point serves as a major historical and iconic place of Nama Bengaluru and the Bengaluru history. With camera person Chandrasekhar, this is Rahul Dayan for News First Prime, Bengaluru.